Hey everyone, so I'm going to show you guys how my hair went from looking matted and crazy like this to sleek and straight like this. Let's get started. I want to send a thank you to the Silkout company for sending me their blowout brush and their flat iron. So I'll be giving you guys a review of these products. And it also comes with the shampoo, the conditioner, and a Silkout serum. Here are the ingredients on the back if you'd like to pause it. And so I'm going to begin by just rinsing my hair. Here is what the shampoo looks like. I just recently took out Marley Twist, so I'll link that video above if you'd like to see that. But a mistake that I made was not detangling my entire head. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the conditioner, and this is what it looks like. I'm basically just going to make sure to saturate all of my hair with this conditioner because I want my hair to be as conditioned and soft as possible, so I pretty much used the whole bottle. Another thing that I'm going to have to start doing is shampooing my hair in sections, or plaiting my hair off into a few sections before I wash it. So this is what my new growth is looking like on 4 months post relaxer. I'm just going to give you a quick texture shot right here. After this, I'm going to go ahead and rinse the conditioner from my hair and then start the blow dry and flat iron process. Here's another small texture shot in the back, but here is the blowout brush. It comes with the instructions, of course, and here is what it looks like up close. Very pretty, very shiny. I also like how it looks very elegant with the black and chrome. So it does have an off, cool, low, and high button, a 360 cord so it won't get tangled, and this is what it looks like up close right here. I like how it has a very long cord with a strap secure to keep the cords in place. I'm going to put the Silkout serum over my head. I'm going to go ahead and take my hair out of the towel. And as you can see, my hair is super bushy and matted. Like, it's crazy. You can just look and tell that I'm about to have some trouble. I didn't know it yet, but yeah, I'm about to have some trouble. You can tell that there's a whole entire afro under my relaxed hair. As I stated previously, I am 4 months post relaxer. So I'm going to have to learn to start sectioning my hair when I shampoo, when I do my wash days. So right now I'm applying the Silkout serum, and I'm just going to start blow drying each section by section. Going to detangle first, of course. As you can see, my roots are very coarse and thick, so I'm definitely starting from the bottom and working my way up. Throughout the video, I'm going to alternate between low and high, but I'm just showing you guys how it looks when you turn it on. So this is my first row right here, and I didn't have too much trouble in the back and on the side, but once I get to the crown of my hair, it's going to be a whole different story. As you can see, it's already tangling up right here. I was running into a lot of knots and snags, but it wasn't too bad, but you'll see once I get up to the top right here. So each little section that I'm going through, I'm making sure to apply the Silkout serum and blow dry it. This entire process took me about 3 hours, and I didn't know that it was going to be that difficult at the time, but I almost came to a breaking point to where I just wanted to cut my hair. Transitioning, this is new to me, and I just got frustrated. And yeah, this definitely is a new learning process for me that's going to take a lot of patience. But I did stick it out to the end. I started to stretch my roots, as you can see right here, before I ran the blow dry brush through my hair. So that helped a little bit more. The key for me at this time is making sure that I get my roots as straight as possible or stretched out, because that's where most of my kinks and coils are. Here's the back of my hair, tangled, matted, hot mess. I'm applying the serum and detangling, and then I'm going to begin to blow dry this section as well. Alright, so now I'm done blow drying and we're going to head on to the flat iron step. Here are some of the features and it comes with an instruction manual, and I'm going to go ahead and unbox it now. This is what it looks like. Very nice black matte color, and it does have little sprinkles in the plates, which I thought was really cute. A little grip pad right here for your thumb. I'm going to turn it on and it just automatically starts counting up to the highest temperature that it can go. I have this in fast motion so you guys don't have to wait, but it does go pretty quickly, showing you what it looks like in the dark because I just thought it was neat that it lights up. But as you can see, it's going to go all the way up to 430, and yes, it is hot. So you can decrease the temperature with the down button, you can increase the temperature with the up button, and you can turn it off and on with the power button, of course. I'm going to go ahead and set this at 380 because that's what I like to flat iron my hair at. So I'm just going to let you guys watch and chime in.